Hey guys, Ryan Foley, Spyglass Property Inspections. How you guys doing today? I just wanted to share with you a little bit on a gas leg on a hot water tank in a furnace and the connection and what's right and what's wrong. So I'm gonna come over here, bear with me to get back into this tight little area. I'm gonna come to my gas line for the actual furnace, which is right here. You can actually see the gas shutoff valve right here. What I am missing here is a thing that's supposed to extend off of this arm of the gas line called a drip leg. A drip leg connects to that gas line, so there's actual sediment particles that can accumulate in gas lines. Well, obviously gas weighs nothing, and the sediment will build up into the gas leg that's supposed to be here and collect. So it will keep that sediment from building up in the gas line, as well from preventing anything to backfire. And then if you come over to my hot water tank, this is all done in a flex line, and I should have this all hard piped, as well as have that drip leg for any backfire and safety reasons. Ryan Foley, Spyglass Property Inspections, little education on drip legs and sediment. Have a great day.